All right, it's Sunday, May 30th. Just got the boat put in the water and gonna head up to the house, and hopefully after a while we'll go do some fishing. Between today and tomorrow we'll at least get out once, hopefully. So it's a nice day out, a little windy, a little cool. So we'll head to the house and then we'll see you after a while. Elsie and I is out here on the boat. We'll go for a little boat ride. She doesn't like life jackets, but she's got to have one. It's definitely nice out. We're going to take a slow cruise on the river, so we'll get back with you. All right, we're back. Like I said, she does not like the life jacket, so we cut the ride a little bit short. But it is nice out. All right, Elsie and I just come down here fishing off the bank, and we just caught a little brim. Check it out.
Yeah.
What do you think, Elsie? Want to let him go? All right. We'll let him go back. All right, I'm fishing out of the back of the boat at the dock now. And looks like we caught a drum. Not what we really like to catch, but oh well. All right, Elsie and I come out and checked our poles we had sitting in the boat. Like I said, we're still at the dock, but bait was stolen off of both of them. So we just put some more bait on there, and we'll come back and check after a while. What you doing, Elsie? All right, I think we got a fish on, Elsie. It's like one's bouncing this pole. Here, Elsie. You want to hold this pole or hold this camera? Hold the camera. Let's see what fish we got. Oh, he got off. Dadgummit. Oh well. We'll recast. Until next time. All right, we're still in the boat. We got something on. Not sure what it is, but here, Elsie, hold this camera. Hold the camera. Here, point it at me. Oh, we got a big one. Look at this, Elsie. Look at that bluegill. Look at that bluegill. What do you think about it? You can touch him? Oh, is that funny? All right, we're gonna get rebaited and set out.
Bye-bye.
All right, I come out here to check, and something that took the bait on the one, and we have something on the other. So we'll set the camera down. Looks like we caught another drum. All right. Well, we'll rebait and let the poles sit overnight. Well, I just got the poles rebaited and set out, so we'll let them soak overnight, see if we can't catch anything. So far we've caught, say, two brim and 2 drum. So no catfish. So we'll get back with you in the morning. All right, it's Monday morning, Memorial Day. We come and check our 2 poles that we had sitting out, and we didn't catch anything, so we recast them out. So we'll let them soak for a while, and we'll come check them. Isn't that right, Elsie? So, but it's a nice morning out, so hopefully we'll catch something. All right, Shannon and I is out in the boat. We're gonna go see about doing some fishing. We're gonna pull in these poles, see if we have anything. I'll reel this little one in. This one don't have a little bit. No. Elsie's little pole. Here, you want to reel this one in? This one may have something. Did it feel like it?
Feels like it's snagged.
Oh, they may have wrapped around something.
Yeah, snagged.
I mean, it definitely had something on it. Really wrapped around, I'm not sure. I think the line broke. Alright. Well, we're going to head upriver. Alright, we're anchored up and cast our poles out. Shayna's first catch here is a mussel shell. It's empty. But, so we'll cast back out.
It was hard to reel in. Okay, Dustin's got one.
Using stink bait on this one. He's gonna probably get tangled up in all our lines. Golly. I hope it's not a turtle. It's spinning circles. Nope. It's catfish.
still up. Oh.
That comes out. Say maybe a couple pounders. Fisher is fighting pretty good. All right, Shayna. Let's meet right here. There you go. Cool. I got him.
Okay.
First one of the day.
Check him out.
Yeah. He's probably about 2 pounder. Got him on stink bait.
Nice.
All right. On the little.
On Elsie's little pole.
Yep. It's fighting pretty good. It's hard to say with this little pole. This is stink bait also. So I can get that right here. It feels quite a bit smaller. There it goes. Oh,
Oh, crap.
put your head down the other way if you can. All right,
I can't.
got him in by his fin. Cool. This one's probably about a pound and a half. Caught on stink bait. Yep, he ain't on there. All right, Shayna's got her first hookup, and we only have like 5 minutes left. He get off, didn't he?
Oh, man.
All right, we'll rebait and throw out for just a few more minutes. All right, we're gonna call it quits. At least we got that fish for a little bit. We end up with the 2 catfish, but overall between yesterday and today, I think we got 2 brim, I think 4 drum, then these 2 catfish. So we'll see you next time.